Hey everyone, every tip I'm sharing in this video has been verified by the mechanics working with me, so don't worry, we'll fix this together. You're driving your Kia and suddenly the dashboard shows check lane following assist system. The first thought is usually, oh no, something serious broke. But relax, most of the time it's not that bad. The car is just letting you know that the system that keeps the car centered in the lane isn't working properly, and for safety, it temporarily disables itself. The mechanics here tell me that the most common cause is a dirty or blocked front camera or sensors. It could be mud, dust, snow, rain, or even a strange reflection on the lens. When that happens, the system can't see the lane lines and triggers the warning. Many owners simply cleaned the windshield and camera, restarted the car, and the message disappeared like magic. If cleaning doesn't fix it, the next likely cause is miscalibration or a misaligned sensor. These systems are very sensitive. A bump, strong vibration, or a loose wire can confuse the LFA, causing the warning to stay on even if everything looks normal. Recalibrating or checking the wiring usually restores normal function. Some mechanics have also noticed that electrical issues or voltage drops can trigger the message. For example, after changing the battery or starting the car with unstable power, the system may temporarily get confused and display the warning. In many cases, just driving for a few minutes clears the message. Finally, if cleaning, checking, and restarting don't remove the warning, the safest move is to take the car to a shop or dealership with advanced diagnostic tools. They can read the LFA module codes and determine if the camera or sensors need recalibration or replacement. This also prevents other assistance systems, like forward collision or adaptive cruise, from malfunctioning due to a sensor giving faulty readings.